Look at the picture marked number 1. A.
They are walking toward the door.
B.
They are putting items into bags.
C.
They are shopping in a clothing store.
D.
They are standing in line at a cash register.
Look at the picture marked number 2. A.
The woman is wearing glasses.
B.
One of the men is carrying a clipboard.
C.
A box is being lifted.
D.
Windows are being cleaned.
Look at the picture marked number 3. A.
He is looking at a grocery list.
B.
He is weighing a bag of tomatoes.
C.
Vegetables are being placed on a shelf.
D.
Vegetables are being cut into small pieces.
Number 4.
What color pens would you like to order?
A.
She has enough notebooks.
B.
They're in the other room.
C.
I need both blue and red.
Number 5.
How much does this digital scanner cost?
A.
With the discount, it's $75.
B.
This morning will be fine.
C.
I can help you if you're lost.
Number 6.
Where can I find the breakfast cereal?
A.
The spoons are on the counter.
B.
In aisle 4, I think.
C.
No, I don't think she'll mind.
Number 7.
How many wireless internet routers will you need?
A.
He doesn't need to go out.
B.
Yes, take Route 3 all the way.
C.
We'll be buying 10.
Number 8.
Did you know that all our merchandise is 20% off today?
A.
Yes, that's why I came in.
B.
No, he's off tomorrow.
C.
I just have a bit of a cough.
Number 9.
Excuse me, are you waiting to buy tickets?
A.
I'm fine, and you?
B.
No, I was just looking at the posters.
C.
Any time that's convenient for you.
Questions 10 through 12 refer to the following conversation.
Hi, I'm looking for a birthday present for a friend of mine. I think she'd love this scarf, but I'm confused. Is the price on the tag the original price, or is it the discount price?
That's the original price. You'll get an extra 20% taken off at the register. So the total will come to $12 instead of $15.
Oh, great. Also, because it's a present for a friend, could you gift wrap it for me?
Of course I can gift wrap that for you. And we'll give you a special gift receipt that doesn't show the price. Your friend should keep the receipt in case she wants to exchange it for a different item.
Number 10. What does the woman say she is unsure about? Number 11. What does the woman ask the man to do? Number 12. What does the man offer the woman? Questions 13 through 15 refer to the following message.
Hi, my name is Jane Lebec, and I'm calling to check the status on an order I placed through your website last week. It's a custom-made dining table, and I read on the website that you would send an email within 7 business days confirming that my order's been shipped. I placed the order for the dining table 2 weeks ago and haven't received any communication from you yet. But on my bank statement, I see that the payment's already gone through. If someone could please call me back as soon as possible, I'd really appreciate it. My number is 555-0186.
Number 13. Why is the woman calling? Number 14. What is the woman waiting to receive? Number 15. What does the woman's bank account show?